Mild rotel. We'll pour that in a bowl. And we're going to take a can of cream of mushroom soup. Get all that out of there. Don't leave any mushrooms in there. Okay, then we're going to take a can of cream of chicken. Got a little can scraper here. Now we're going to just kind of combine these three together.
Looks good. What's this recipe called?
This is Rotel King Ranch chicken.
Sounds good to me.
Now we're going to add in a bell pepper and an onion that we've cooked already in the butter. Just take maybe half stick of butter with a bell pepper and onion. We'll toss that in our mixture. Okay. Got those.
Smells buttery.
Yeah. Okay. That extra bell pepper and onion and butter, boy, that'll be good.
It looks good.
Okay, now we're gonna take 2 cups of chicken. We have got this chicken here and we have drained it. So we don't need that extra juice in there. 1 cup. Same stuff, we've drained it. Next 2 cups of chicken. It's all combined. If you want your chicken smaller, if you use a can, if you smash it a little bit, it'll break up. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to take corn tortillas in a 9x13 pan. We're going to make a bottom layer. I have to
tear them up a little bit, maybe.
That, or you could overlap.
Oh yeah.
Like that.
Especially for the bottom layer, huh?
Yeah. Okay.
Looks pretty good.
You can just pull these other ones to the side a little bit, where everything is covered. Okay, all that is covered. Now you're going to take your mixture here. We're going to put a little bit. Thought this might be the easiest way. That way then you can spread it out.
Yeah, that makes sense. So you're doing about half the mixture there?
Yes. And I'm going to just take the back of my spoon, kind of spread it out. Everybody gets a little bit on here. Okay, now you're going to follow that with some sharp cheddar cheese. We're just going to sprinkle that on this layer.
Was that about half the bag?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now you alternate now. Bring some more corn tortillas. Put it on top.
Yeah. I think this is going to be a good one, Kim.
Now you're just going to put the rest of your mixture out. Plop, plop, fizz, fizz.
That looks so good.
I'd say when this cooks, it will be. Now you're going to put some more cheese on there. Slap it. I'm just on my hand so I can get around the sides better.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're going to bake this at 350 for about 30 minutes.
All right. 350 for 30 minutes.
And you'll have a delicious lunch.
All righty. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, Kim, you're doing good on this one.
King
As
Ranch
always.
chicken casserole.
I cannot wait to sink my teeth in this. All right, let's give this a try. Chicken casserole. That looks good. That's pretty good.